Here in this code sample, we have a simple AngularJS application. As you can see, it is an address book. We can add new contacts. Now, if we take a look at the code behind, then we can find that we have a simple HTML file. Here we have the ng-app attribute specifying that this HTML document is an AngularJS application. Here we have a script element that refers to the Angular library, and here another script element that refers a separated JavaScript file where we have our code. Now, if you take a look at this div, a big div that covers the whole web page, here the starting tag of this div had the ng controller attribute assigned with address book controller, and address book controller is actually a name of a function. Now, if you pay attention over here, for example, contact in contacts, contacts, add contact, those two elements are actually properties of the object. Its reference is passed over as an argument to the address book controller function. So here, when we specify contact in contacts, we actually get a kind of a loop that goes over all objects in contacts, and contacts is actually a simple array of objects, so we just get each one of those objects separately. It's getting its details printed to the screen, and we get it all organized in a table. Now on the bottom you can find a form element, and here we have ng submit assigned with add contact. Add contact, it's a name of function, so when we try to enter values into these text fields and we press submit, we automatically get the values entered, passed over to the add contact function. And add contact function, as you can see, refers the first name, last name, and number. Those three, as you can see, are models, and because first name, last name, and number are child of the address book controller, we can access those three values by referring $scope.firstname, $scope.lastname, and $scope.number. Here we just verify that the user indeed entered something. And here the code that is executed, well, those three lines simply delete the three models, first name, last name, and number. These three are models that were binded with these three text fields, so immediately those three text fields are cleared. Here you can find an invocation to the push method on contacts in order to add a new object to the object contacts array old. So bottom line, we get an address book up and running we can use.